Today we will be learning the basic sketch and extrusion properties of Onshape while building this simple, three-dimensional connective piece. To start a sketch in Onshape, we first have to choose a plane that we would like to sketch on. Start by choosing the sketch tool in the upper left corner. You can rotate the angle of the plane by using the box in the top right corner. The easiest plane to sketch on, in my opinion, is the top plane. When drawing a certain piece, we can use shape tools like the circle. As you can see here, I am clicking where I would like the center point of my circle to be and dragging it outwards to increase its size. Considering our piece requires two circles, both circles are drawn at approximately equal size. To get the shapes to the exact size, we can use the dimension tool as shown here. Click the tool and then click the shape or line we would like measured and type in your own measurement. To make the circles equal to each other, select the circle you would like changed, and then select the one that you would like to be replicated, and hit the equal button in the top right corner. To connect the circles, we can use the line tool in the top left. Click where you'd like the line to begin, and slide it outwards, again clicking where you'd like the line segment to end. The tangent tool, next to the dimension tool, can be used to assure the attachment of the three entities. A big mistake that many users make is forgetting to make the entities tangent. This can alter the shape of your piece when choosing dimensions. Just like the equal tool, we select the sketches we would like to be tangent to each other before clicking the tool. Another line segment can be drawn to enclose the piece. To fully ensure that the piece is completely closed, use the tangent tool again, selecting the two circles and the new line segment before selecting the tool. We can use the dimension tool again to get the right length of the line segments. A good length for this particular piece is about 7.5 inches. Since both segments are tangent to the circles, they will both lengthen equally. When done, click the check in the upper left corner to complete your sketch. A major part of Onshape is being able to make 3D pieces. To do this, we can select our sketch entities and choose the Extrude button in the top left. It's easiest to extrude in an isometric orientation, which can be selected from the drop-down box menu on the right. From here, we can choose the height that we would like our piece to be. For this extrusion, we want to select New as we are adding on new material to the piece. The options Add, Remove, and Intersect all serve their own purpose in extruding pieces, but none quite work for our particular piece. When done extruding, select the check button like you did to complete your sketch. In order to make this object a bit more complex, we can add another sketch to the same plane we have drawn on before. Select the sketch tool again in the upper left. Choose the plane that you would like to sketch on, which in this case will be the top of our piece. Select the circle tool again and make sure that the measurements for the circles are correct. You can again make the circles equal to each other using the equal tool that we used before. Here I'm using the dimension tool for both to show how it can be used for both circles. Once done, select only the entities we've just drawn and again select the extrusion tool. This time, to make holes instead of adding further material, we want to choose the Remove option. This will take away the material within the circles and create holes through the piece. The default option is 1 inch through the piece, but considering our piece is only 1/4 of an inch thick, that is the depth that I selected for the holes to be. At the end of our Onshape, we should end up with a nice looking, 3-dimensional piece that is ready for printing and use in real life projects. Thanks for watching. As an edit, I'd like to show you how to see the mass, volume, and area properties of your piece. Click your part on the left column, highlighting the piece. Then click the scale at the bottom right, which will bring up a menu containing all of your properties. Thanks again for watching, and have a good day.